Hi guys, I'm Sujay. Today I'm gonna open this LG S310. Okay, it's working now. Okay, we're gonna open this. Switched off. Still on. Okay, now it's switched off. The battery is 900 mAh. 900 mAh. Okay, decide we're gonna open this model into pieces. All the screws are open now. We're gonna open it. It's pretty tight. Woohoo! Nice chipset and ringing all. In the back panel, there is a speaker out here. Speaker and some circuits are here. Okay. Yeah, this is a front speaker. This. And this is a vibrator. This is 3.2 MP camera. It's pretty nice phone. You can open it. Try to open this also. I think it's fixed. We cannot open this. That's it. Okay guys, we're gonna close this now. Let's see it shall work or not. So tight. It's a good phone. We're gonna insert screws. Now the screws are in the place. We will attach battery. close the back panel, switch it on. Wow, it works really well. Nice Mac. Nice phone. After I open, it still works. Next. That's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.